Iloilo.
Iloilo Beach. We're gonna go to Iloilo. Let's go.
Hi, Olivia. Are you still tired, ate? Yeah, okay. Let's go, Kuya Liz. Just landed in Iloilo. Look at the airplane, so big. Just landed in Iloilo, Rojas. We are here. Dito nga pala sa Estancia, Iloilo. Dito yung sa family side ng tatay ko. So we came from the Rojas Airport and then drove about an hour and a half dito sa Estancia. And we're gonna go head to Gigantes Island later. So dito yung bahay ng kapatid ni Lolo, right? Si Tio Dan or Lolo Dan, right there. Yeah, we're gonna eat some big crab. Let's go. We're excited. And we're gonna go swim later doon sa ocean, sa beach. Let's go, baby. Hello, cat.
Lolo.
Wow. Wow. Wow, look at this mansion. Wow. Long time no see, ah. Ay mo?
It smells like fish, but it's good.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Ethan.
Oh,
Olivia.
no.
Let's go. Dito na kami. Sa fish port. And then we're gonna ride the boat to go to the island. Nasaan na yung boat?
The island's right there, Daddy. We can swim.
Oh, it's bigger.
Can you let me go now?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. No. Let's go. You okay, Emil? Kuya Ellis. Kuya Elijah. Yes, sir.
Kuya Elijah, tawagan natin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pawis na si Emil, oh.
No.
Okay.
Pato niya.
Bye. Kung ayaw nyo makita sa loob, pwede kayo dito. Sure ka?
Dapat kasi may languyan yung mga bata.
Oo nga. Elijah, wait! Okay, go. Kapit doon. Hold that guy. Whoa! Go inside here. Go, 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 go. Shaky. Shaky, shaky. Turn right. Turn right. It's okay. Oh, look at that lagoon. Wow, look at
How
that.
do we get?
Hello. Wait. Ellis, jump. 1, 2, 3, big jump. Yeah. Wait lang, Kuya Ellis. Stay
I
there.
don't think it's easy.
No, it's not easy there. No, John, mas ma-easy dyan. Pasok kami dito. Oh my God. Wow. Oh yeah, malamig nga yung water. Nice, guys. What happened?
I hurt my feet here.
From where? Let's see. You got hurt? Oh, you're okay. Oh, listen. Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Don't worry. Yeah, we're inside this big rock. We're inside the big rock.
It's dark.
Yeah, come on. Dito tayo, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big rock here too. Oh, look oh. Kasi titingnan mo yung ilalim.
Daddy, can you put that on and click it? Daddy, let's
It's on.
No,
Where?
it looks dark.
I don't know.
It looks dark.
We're on.
Now there.
No, don't hold daddy. You got this, see? Yeah, guys. We're inside this big rock.
I need to run.
Woohoo!
Daddy,
Come, Kuya.
don't swim with your glasses.
It's okay.
The feet still hurt me. Oh.
Still hurting you? May fish kaya dito?
Oh my God!
Wow, look at this rock formation, guys. Ang ganda dito.
It looks like a mountain.
Yeah, I know. So, pupunta kami sa iba pang island para tingnan yung pa yung iba. Tapos na kami dito. Next stop is that island there. Baka dito magtagal. Maganda din doon. Tsaka doon, maganda din doon. Tsaka doon. Ito, maganda dito. Oh. Wow. Let's go! Init! Init! Pero maganda dito. Ganda! Blue water, white sand. Ang ganda! Wow! Hungry na mga bata. Akyat kami dito oh. There. Let's go, Kuya Ellis. Are you good to go up? Akin na yung snacks mo. Hold from the side. Ha?
Station 1.
Careful.
Oh, sarap ng lamig.
Let's keep going. Nag-rest muna kami.
The other one is not.
What do you mean it's not?
Like to stay in the line, it's not. They're gonna let me down. And that one, that's not.
Sige, kayo naman.
Kaya tayo.
Walang exit.
Sa taas. Si Ellis.
Oh, careful. Hinay.
on to the next island. We're here again. Again tuloy, bagong island pala to. Dito kami magla-lunch. And maybe we could rent a jet ski later. Right, Kuya? Yeah? Ellis, let's go!
And that one.
Yeah, banana boat? Sure. Let's eat lunch first. Lunchtime. Let's go! Sure, Ethan! Kuya Ethan! Ganda dito guys, ganda, dami pang fish. Let's go. Guys, ang gaganda ng mga fish, right Kuya Ethan? Gaganda ng fish. Buhay ang sea nila dito. And we're having fun, right? Come. We're having fun, baby. That's all that matters. Guys, guess what we found? Sea cucumber.
Maybe could be something else. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go show it to them. Look at this.
We found a toy.
He found a toy. Ah! Ayun na.
What?
Ayun, lumabas na yung ano niya, yung... Look at it. Hold my camera.
Looks like spider webs.
It's like a spider web. It's like a plastic.
I think spider lives in that. Nakita ko mo kay Mami.
Sea cucumber, look. Sea cucumber. Sino parang ano lang, spider web. Malatkit lang.
Daddy, give it to Mommy.
Poisonous din ba yan?
No.
Isa sumirin dito? Doon. Dito?
Mamatalsikan kami sa mukha niya.
Buhay ito, eh. No? Sea cucumber. No, don't touch it.
The webs are
What's up guys? So ito pala yung bahay ng tito namin dito sa Estancia, Iloilo. Sobrang ganda, ang laki. May small pool pa sila dun sa baba. Tapos sa taas, meron silang kantahan, tsaka parang restaurant. Let me show you guys. Let's go upstairs. Ito yung isa. Pwede ka mag video okay dito. Pwede nyo siya actually i-rent guys. Kung nandito kayo sa Estancia, Iloilo, birthday parties, anything special, you can rent here. There you go. See that? Ganda. Tapos ayun, nakikita mo yung beach, yung mga mountain doon, mga small islands, nandyan oh. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi ang dami namin pinuntahan island and napagod na rin after the swimming. But here we are, day 2 in Iloilo. We're gonna go to the mall. So, see you guys at the mall. Nung mga maliliit kami, nag-stay kami dito. Before kami pumunta ng Canada, siguro mga 3 months din kami nag-stay dito. And they took care of us. Kaya gusto namin bumabalik dito. So, pababa yung ano, yung street. Watch out guys, inunahan nyo pa yung ano, sigade kayo eh. Ayun o, kitang-kita mo na yung beach dun o. Yung ocean o. Kitang-kita na o. Let's go to the mall. Kuya Ellis, go on the side. What's up guys? What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? Let's go to the mall.
To the mall.
To the mall.
My hands red.
Oh yeah, kahapon pala pagka nung nagsiswimming kami, before we stop yung video, si Kuya Ethan na stung ng jellyfish. Show them. It's all better now.
A little.
Yeah, that's
He
good.
put his hand in salt water too.
Yeah, that's good, guys.
He needs to do that.
So today, we're gonna go snorkeling again, right, Kuya Ethan? There you go.
But not touching the jellyfish ever.
No, we just have to watch out for the jellyfish. They're always there anyways.
Yeah, do I need to avoid them?
Huh?
Do I
Just
need to-
avoid them, yeah.
They
Kasi,
don't know where they're going.
yeah. And plus, that's their home, right?
Yeah.
Look at the houses here, oh, yung tataas. Oh, yun pa, oh, pataas na ng house dito eh. Watch out guys, watch out, slow down. Just go, stay on the side, stay on the side. Ayun, pupunta namin yung mall. Gaisano Mall. Yung yellow.
Yay! Is there toys there?
There's toys there, yeah. Si Wewe pala, anak ng pinsa namin from my dad's side. Right, We? Yes. Oo nga. Oo nga, anak nga ng pinsa natin. He's my nephew. Right? Yeah. Sino yan? Rapping the MDev in the Philippines, baby. Pag may hawak ang camera, pinagtitingin ng kanila dito eh. There you go. Alam mo sir, thank you. Kaskas mo dito kuya Alice, oh. Oh, what's this? Hello, Jollibee. Mga inasan. Jollibee. Oh, picture mo sila dito kay Jollibee, babe. Picture kay Jollibee. What's that? Oh, wow. Ang goal pala namin dito is bumili ng goggles for snorkeling. Kasi wala kaming pang snorkeling kahapon eh. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Kuya, saan po yung goggles nyo? Yeah, for swimming. Oh, right here. Wala yung tube for snorkeling? Ito. Ito, may tube. Kahit tube lang. Kaso pangit yung goggles ni Kuya eh. Ito pang tago lang. Ito tago mo na. Oh, I see. Para mas maganda ito isa. No. Pakibuksan to kuya. Para mas maganda to kuya. Kasi ito may plastic. Actually, it's not bad. Mas mura siguro itong isa, no? Ito, tinan mo to.
419 ito, sir.
Ito po.
Ito, sir. Ito, 499.
Ito.
490.
Ito.
499.
Gusto mas mura pa to.
Mura ito.
Oh, mas maganda to. Yeah, ito na lang, dalawa kami nito. So ito na lang pipili natin, kuya. Kasi para makapag-snorkeling tayo mamaya.
Thank you.
Saan po babayaran?
Okay, natin.
Okay. Thank you. Got it. Let's go. All done with the shopping. Punta na kami ngayon sa sementeryo kasi hindi pa namin napupuntahan si Lola Auring. Yeah, well, we can get straw later. Tricycle! Let's go, Kuya Ellis. Hold tight here. Hold here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First tricycle ride. Ay, second na pala. Pero first dito sa Iloilo. Right, Kuya?
Wow.
Ano yun?
Building.
Building? That's where we went. That's the mall that we went to.
That one?
Yeah. So, punta kami, like I said, sa cementerio. And then after that, swimming again at Carles, Iloilo. Mga 20 minutes drive. It's fun here. Really fun in the Philippines, right? Yeah, you having fun in the Philippines?
I don't want to go to Winnipeg.
What?
Winnipeg is ugly.
Oh wow, Winnipeg is ugly. You don't want to go back home? No? No? Oh man. Hindi na daw uwi. Oh yeah. Let's go. Nakayo pa si Kuya doon sa isa. Yes sir, yes sir. Say hi to the vlog. Come on. Come on, jump. Hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Let's go, Elise. Let's go, Olivia. Yeah, we're gonna go swimming now. That's Lola Auring.
Huh?
Lola Auring.
Lola Auring?
And Lolo Tonying. Anthony.
Lola Auring?
You seen Lola Auring, yeah? That's
I don't remember her. I don't remember her looking like.
Ayun na. Siguro tayo dito. Nandun sa ano?
Buhay pa siya.
Hinihingi nga yung aretes ko.
What's aretes?
Earring.
Say hi.
Sila nagdalaw.
Sino siya?
Welcome to Marlo Barillas.
22.
Made it to the new beach.
Wala silang yung malagsa.
Carles. Baby Carles Resort.
Hindi na
Tapos may swimming pool pala sila dito, tsaka slides for the kids. Ayun o. Mirelia's cousins are here. This guy wants to go swimming already. They haven't even met the cousins yet.
Hi up.
Yes, hello, hello, hello. Dami namin, oh.
Welcome to my vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah. What do we have here?
Diba ang taas?
Oh, Kuya Ellis, yung hinahanap mo, oh, oyster. Come here, Kuya Ellis. Come. Look at this. Ayun, laki oh. Laki yung squid oh. Wow.
Just kidding. Oh, look at the ano, look.
Hindi naman. Wanna hold it, Olivia? Hold it.
I want to hold it.
Yeah, go.
Meron ka na dyan.
Throw it in the water.
Hindi na lalango yan. Hold the squid.
The squid yung malaki yung
Wow.
Ito.
Hindi.
Yun.
I want to hit its head.
Laki oh. Parang siyang laki ng head mo, Olivia oh. Look at, mas malaki pa sa head mo oh. Sa arms ko, laki oh. Ang laki oh.
Mag-vlog ah.
He said he saw me on the vlog.
Oh wow, he's watching your vlog. Hi Olivia. Ano yung pinapanood mo? What's that? What's that?
Fish.
Fish? Tsaka?
Sweet.
Squid. Hi Kuya Ethan. Sarap naman yan. Yum!
Kung ano yung kasunod, halimbawa, suman, lupa, sumay, suman. Yung kailangan alam natin ng sequence. Ano na?
Hindi sa katao, mahambal. Ay, siya ako sinala. Kay puro lang natin pagbaho.
Masarap.
Lumay.
We are heading back to Manila. Let's go. Back at the airport, heading to Manila, and then we're gonna head to Marikina after. It's been a fun 3 days dito sa Iloilo. Thank you dun sa family side namin dito. Thank you kala Tio Dan, Tio Chok, Auntie Nelly, and sa mga cousins namin dito. Thank you for, magandang pagtanggap sa amin dito. And I hope to see you guys soon. See you guys on the next video.
Heading back to Balena.
Back in Manila, baby.